The US stock market crashed on 5th of June, Friday. And why it crashed? What are the top 5 reasons why US market crashed? Before starting the video, hello everyone, my name is Ankur Malhotra. Welcome back to my channel Fin with Ankur. Here I give financial education for the people of United States, and this is episode number 44. Top 5 reasons a too hot jobs report. The number one crystal for the Friday bloodbath is was actually a good news for the economy, which translates to bad news for Wall Street. The May job report came out and it was a blowout. Economics were expecting around 80,000 new jobs, but the US economy added a massive 172,000 jobs. When the job market is hot, it signals the inflation is not cooling down. Number two is fear of a Federal Reserve rate hike. Before we step into this, I would like to tell you the Fed is extremely on the positive sides of job data. But the factor here is investors are now terrified that Federal Reserves might actually hike interest rates by the end of the year to cool down the economy. You heard it right. When the jobs are on the higher end, the economy inflation is also on the higher end. Number three is surging treasury yields. When people think the Fed is going to raise rate, bond yields shoot up. On Friday, 2-year treasury yield hit a 15-month high. The 10-year yield surged 4.5%. Number 4 is the great semiconductor sell-off. Friday was an absolute bloodbath for the tech sector, specifically chip makers. AI heavy hitters lost around $1.3 trillion in market value. Number 5 is escalating geopolitical tensions. We all know that we are not heading to the end of these wars and all the stuffs. While tech and jobs dominated the headlines, fresh flare up in the Middle East salented added fuel to the fire. Rising tensions and fears of the border, it will create tensions, and tensions will create a bloodbath in the market. These are the 5 things why there was a bloodbath in the market on Friday. You should consider it as an buying opportunity. Don't sell off on bloodbath. And this is episode number 44. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and see you tomorrow.